Here you go, guys. Let's go to show more options for the list that we will choose. Topic is to how to recover the unsaved file or forgotten file that we missed to save in cloud server. So hope this video will help and we get a good idea how to recover it. So let's go and proceed it to find it in the cloud server. Okay. In my case, I have to go to my link that I put on my local computer. So let's start. So I have to go to my shared folder now to give you an example how to recover it in our cloud server that we keep the file. In my case, I'm opening now. As you can see, I have a lot of files that I save it. And for instance, we miss it to save in some cases or some scenario. So for example, for me, this is the most important file that we look on our daily tasks or daily activities, which covering our tasks about the saving. So if we forget or we miss something, so it's been miserable, so we will get lost. So for that case, this is the best step that I can share how to recover, and I google it to Microsoft website. So here you go. First thing, we have to go to the option, the file, how we can recover it. Okay, and let's go to the option. It says version history. Okay, in this version history, you will see a lot of version of the file, which date, which time you save on our cloud server. So here you go. Let's take a look how it looks like. So as you can see here, there's a lot of version I made already. It's started on last March 16, 2022, and the first one is this January 12, 2023. Okay, so let's take one example for you how we can recover it, the one that we saved earlier. Let's take a look. Let's say December 15. Okay, here there is more option. You have to restore direct to the same folder, or you can download to take a copy on our local computer, or else you can delete if you want, but it's not advisable. So I'm gonna proceed with the download option, and let's wait for some time. And here we go, it's downloading from the cloud server, and voila, it's saved now in our download folder. Just click it, and here you go. The file is here in our downloaded folder, and it shows downloaded this time. Okay, and you can review the file that you are looking for, and you can continue again to modify and save where you stop or where you miss it, or just continue as it is. Just waiting to open that file that I downloaded earlier. So here you go. This is the file that I made on December 15. Just do whatever you want on your restored file. So guys, this is for the day, and hope will help you a lot on your daily activities if you miss to save or recover your file on the cloud server. So that is for the day. Thank you. Till